Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatima and today I'm going to be telling you how to make a lassi. So let's start. First, you're going to the ingredients are yogurt, milk, sugar, rosa, and ice cream. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to put the yogurt in the jug. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to put the milk in. Then you're going to put the sugar. And you're going to put the rosa for some taste. Now you're going to mix it. Once you're done mixing it, you're going to pour it into a glass. And at the end, you're going to put some ice cream. And here's your tiny lassi. Thank you for watching Ramadan Iftar.